Wow, what'd you get? Hearts? Which one's for Killian and which one's for you? Which one's that one?
This is another heart.
That's another heart?
Oh,
let me see it. Show it to me. Oh, man. M&M's. Is that for Killian or for you?
For me.
And so the other one's for Killian?
No, this one's for you.
That one's for me.
No, check it out.
Oh, check it out. Let me see. Turn it over. What do you think is in that one?
It's gummy bears.
Not gummy bears. Go see if there's anything else in the box.
There's chocolate.
It's chocolate. You're right. Go see if there's anything else in that box over there. Thank you. What is that? Come show me.
That's it.
Come here. I'm going to show you what it is.
Okay.
Can you say gusher?
That's it.
They're gushers.
That's it. Whatever this.
I'm going to try it right now and see if you like it.
Okay.
Wow. Killian wants some too.
Okay. It's for me.
Hold on. You hold the phone like that. Hold the phone. You got it? Oh yeah, cover the camera. Good. Okay. Get one and try it and tell me what you think. Just one, baby.
This one.
Pull one off. Okay, put it in your mouth and tell me what you think. Wait. Okay, yeah. What do you think? Look at me. Over here, look at me. Do you like them? Yes? They're gushers. They have gooey stuff in them, right? Is it good? Tell everybody Happy Valentine's Day. Over here. No, over here. Over here.
Happy Valentine's today.
Happy Valentine's today. Okay. Love you.
I love you.
And Happy Valentine's Day. I love you. Uh-oh. Oh, Killian got gushers too. Look at that. Yay. Got a blue tongue.